So changing gears a little bit, we showed in the hardware video that this is a modular system. And one aspect of that modular system is there can be a really large number of components in that system. And that can actually introduce some complexity on the software side. So Jose Luis, a question for you is, does this complexity become an issue for large QCS systems? And if so, how have we addressed that?
Yeah, so it's certainly an issue that we have to manage being Keysight. It's not something that we want our customers to have to manage. So a bit more on that. If you can look at this system here, the system can have one or more PCs helping control the system. We've got drivers, firmware, FPGA bit files. We also have quite a bit of software, including the QCS API. All of that needs to be configured, installed, properly. They're very tight interdependencies in terms of how the software has to be configured. Everything needs to be installed in a consistent manner so that it works properly. And so what we've done is we spend a lot of time here to automate getting everything downloaded, installed, and configured correctly for the customer. And so that is done, again, automatically so that the customer doesn't have to go in and get the different parts to install and configure the system themselves. A really wonderful side benefit of this is this also enables us to work really closely and collaboratively with our customers, so that if a customer wants to explore a certain area where we want to do joint research, we'll be able to go in, do the necessary updates to our software in a timely manner, and then make those updates available. And then the customer will be able to automatically download and configure the entire system with these updates. So we're really excited about these collaboration opportunities as they come up.
Great. Thanks, Eloise. I think that gives some great detail about some of the way we handle complexities in setup and updates. How about some of the complexities that arise from things like triggers and timings as well? You think you'd comment on those?
Yeah, so unlike a traditional measurement system where a customer would have to worry about timing and triggering and setting that all themselves, what we've done is we've abstracted that all out in our software layers. So as Luke and Diego have talked about the QCS API, that is aimed for quantum physicists and experimentalists so that they can do their work. And so they don't have to worry about it at that level. So that's a very big beauty about the system. So certainly we're taking care of that all automatically under the hood. We've got software products from Keysight, such as Pathway Testing Executive, to help us do that. We also have great components to do the distribution of the clocking so that this is handled together. So this keeps the user not having to worry about all of these minute details, and abstracts it out, and so they can worry about the problem that they're trying to solve.